Hello, my friends. As you know, drinking natural homemade mixtures and herbal teas is one of the best ways to lose weight. These drinks boost your metabolism and help you to lose weight. Today on this video, we want to make one of the best mixtures, so stay tuned. At first, cut half an apple into small pieces. Now put them in a blender. Now peel an orange and cut it into small pieces. Take one banana, peel it, and slice it into rings. Add it to the ingredients. Now chop a small piece of ginger and add it to the ingredients. Squeeze a lemon and add the lemon juice to the ingredients. Finally, pour 1 glass of water and blend them all together. As simple as that, our weight loss drink is ready. We suggest you to consume this drink in the morning and before the breakfast. For a better result, try it for consecutive days and surprised by the changes in your body. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, like and follow us on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye for now.